What up, manga guys? I'm back with another video reviewing the Eternity Devil arc of Chainsaw Man. Little note, it's been a while since I last did a review, so it's been a while. So the last time I read the manga, I got up to the Bat Devil arc, which and little note, it's recently got an anime adaptation, with episode 5 partly adapting this arc so far. I just read the manga. Cannot wait for episode 6 to release next week. Yeah. Gonna try. I'm so I'm gonna. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to continue reading these mangas. It's gonna be real well though. Anyway, so so the arc opens up with Denji, Power, Hayakawa, and some members of the squad Division 4 go into a building looking for a devil that contains a piece of the gun devil. It's been a while, so I can't remember anything what I mentioned in my last video on this manga. There's anyway, so it's all been going on outside. It's some funny moments. I hope. I think he kind of makes a bet with one of the members, a woman with an eye patch. A bigger eye patch. So, yeah, she makes a deal with Denji that if he kills the devil, she'll give him a big kiss. Usually Denji just originally the bet was whoever kills the devil first, will get a kiss from her. And Denji wants to get a kiss from Makima, so she makes it more interesting. She'll give him a kiss with tongue. That gets him more invested. And these are also the other members. I'm sorry I don't remember their names. It's gonna be tricky to remember Hayakawa's name most of the time. Anyway, what I think in the anime so far is good. I already did a review on the 5 episodes on my anime channel. Go check that out. So yeah, into the building. And the whole thing, really commanded by a devil. It's a creepy design. She has a hand. Let me. It's like a hand, and it's in the butt's also slightly there. It's very creepy. I like how the anime is where we get this manga, but the Bible very faithful to the manga, but with a few changes. I was wondering that the anime will end with the Katana Man arc. That's the season is. It might make sense. It might go for how they adapt most of the chapters. So it's possible we could have 13 episodes first season. That might make sense. The manga's still fresh so far. We're gonna get more chapters soon, don't worry. Was you go announcement of an anime adaptation of Magical Muscles? Anyway, the eye patch woman uses her mental, I think her name was. Somehow gets it all up in the air and how it kills it. Then she realizes she has a contract with the ghost devil, and it turns out her contract was her eye. That's why she has an eye patch. Anyway. Anyway, as they out the stairs, one member somehow notices something. That they're on the 8th floor and they're heading to the 9th floor, but somehow they're still back on the 8th floor. So he tests it out, and somehow ends up back on the 8th. Well, go downstairs and somehow comes on the top stairs back to the 8th floor. That's why. Yeah. So Himaro tries it out too. Somehow double ability. You check something. Anyway, so well, where's everyone? Well, they check out the rooms and some stuff. They got off through. There's a whole thing's going on. I mean, last name was Rita Hayakawa. Was the kid that survived when the gun devil killed his family. And turns out Aki Hayakawa was partnered to Himeno. Although her other partners died. I didn't realise that Beverly killed Abba earlier somehow still alive. And his body's even bigger. It's gone bigger. All at once is to kill Denji. They would have had to make a contract with him, the Eternity Devil, and they wanted to get out of this place alive. By letting him eat Denji. And then Lino guy says it later. Really interesting. Made two of them. The shot him and go, and they pushed the bash man. Really want Denji to die as well. Get out of here. Even if they do try to kill it, it won't die because it's just the weakness is something else. So they're actually regroup for now, not because they don't want to kill Denji. Yes, there's a reason. And it turns out she's the one who got Hayakawa into smoking. So yeah, Denji doesn't really care much. The reason Hayakawa doesn't want him to die is because he's after the Gun Devil too. Well, he needs all the power he needs all the power he can get to take it down. That includes Denji. I want those two to become friends in the future. Pardon me. So yeah, then he decides he'll let himself eat him, but he's not going to go down by a fight. Plus, he doesn't like the Eternity Devil doesn't like pain, so Denji's going to give him hell and cause him more and more pain. So he jumps down, pulls out the chainsaw, and starts hacking his way. I can't remember what the Eternity Devil said, but so. That causes him to have a flashback. Those who die, devil hunters that die are sane. and those who survive are a bit nuts. So she might think Denji might have a chance. I'm not sure if she's breaking that also. Alright. Basically, Denji's been hacking away for 3 days. And the devil's finally dead. Now back out. So they need some time to rest. Alright. There's some flashbacks to Ayakawa and Himeno's interactions when they first became squad mates. So Himeno says a welcome party for newbies with some more guests. And then she does technically get the curse, but the first time is a bath. Yeah, she was drunk and bathed in his mouth. He even swallowed it. Ugh. Oh my god. I can't get that image on my head right now. Oh, gross. I'm sorry if I put the image in your head too, but it is gross, man. His marker's not shying away from this stuff. Ugh, God. I haven't bothered it much in years. Guess I'm not. Yeah. Didn't you know what to say about this kiss? Well, and Marky Mag gives you some words of encouragement. Marky Mag's leaving. It's suspected that she may know some stuff about Denji, know a secret about Denji, and why. I mean, how did that devil know about? Why was that devil after Denji in the first place? It's more and more mysterious. And that Denji ends up in Himeno's apartment. And she was sober the next morning. They make a deal. She can help him get to she can help him get close to Makima, or he helps her get close to Hayakawa. They do agree and kind of become friends. Makima's heading across some more beating. Then some more people on the seats in front and behind them. But all guns and shoot her and her person accompanying her. Leaving the arc ending on a cliffhanger. Now that is very intense to make you continue reading the manga. Because I'm not going to wait for the anime to do this. But yeah, that's my review on the Eternity Devil arc of Chainsaw Man. It is a great arc, a great manga. I want to mention something, big mention for that. Originally, I wasn't really interested in checking this manga out at first, but I don't know, I got curious when the anime was coming out. And I love reading it. It's weird and more mature than regular Shonen Jump. But still good. So, but anyway, if you haven't checked the manga out, go read it, or you want to see the new anime, go check it out, subbed or dubbed. The dub's only got 3 episodes, but the anime has 5 episodes. So choose whatever one you want. I thank you guys for watching the video. Enjoy my content. Please hit the like button. And see more, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, be up to date, always comes out in the future. I'll see you guys next time for JoJo maybe? I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to post on this channel. Anyway, thank you guys. I'll see you next time. Pegasus Kill out.